In this video, I'm going to go through how to open up your 3D toolbars that you're going to use when it comes time to 3D model in AutoCAD. So these toolbars are not easily just found in the ribbon in our acad.dwg drawing. So what we're going to do instead is type in the subtract symbol and type in toolbar. And what this will do is it opens up the sort of search option for the toolbars, and then you can go searching for the toolbars you want to open. So you're going to go subtract toolbar, hit enter. Then you're going to enter the toolbar name. So the first one we're going to open is solid editing. Now you can't put a space in there when you're searching for a toolbar. So instead we're going to go SOLID underscore editing, which is EDITING. So solid underscore editing, no spaces. Then you hit enter, and then it's going to give you a bunch of options here, what you can do with the toolbar. So you can either dock it to the left, right, top, or bottom if you have a preference, or you can just float it, and then you can drag it around wherever you want it on your screen. So I'm going to show you first. Let's say I docked it to the left side. So I could click on left, and then I'm going to hit enter for 0, 0 as my location. And we're going to see that toolbar pop up here on the left-hand side. And that's a good place for it to be. It's easily found. It will be there in any of your drawings that you go into because this is your AutoCAD setup. It's actually not just for this drawing. Now, if we wanted to float this instead, we would go dash toolbar. So subtract symbol toolbar, hit enter. Again, typing in solid underscore editing. Hitting enter. Now what if we wanted this to float around instead? So I've gone over docking. Let's click the float option. Now let's just say we choose, I don't know, let's go 100, 100 as my new position. Really doesn't matter because you're going to drag it wherever you want it anyways. And enter the number of rows for the toolbar. So this is just setting up your toolbar, whether you want it to be one long skinny row with all the icons in one row, or you wanted multiple rows so it's a little more like a compact little cube. So let's do that. I'm going to say 5 rows. And it's going to open up my little toolbar here. So mine just popped up on my second monitor there. So it's going to open up this little toolbar, and now that it's floating, you can see I'm just grabbing and dragging it wherever I want it on my screen. And it came in with my 5 rows, and you could, if you wanted, grab my little arrow if it'll let me here and just change the configuration if you wanted to. Although mine's not listening right now. All right, I guess I'm stuck with this. You should be able to grab and change the configuration. Otherwise, you could always go dash toolbar again, solid editing again, and then just type in a different number of rows. So that's how we dock it, and that's how we can free float it. Now, the other toolbar we're going to open, so this is our solid editing toolbar. The other one we're going to open, so subtract toolbar, is called modeling, M-O-D-E-L-I-N-G. Hit enter. Again, I'm going to just do floating. And again, I'm going to do 5 rows just to match my other one. And again, it shows up on my other monitor, coming back. All right, so there's my other toolbar. So here I have on the left my solid editing toolbar, and on the right I have my modeling toolbar. And these are the 2 toolbars we're going to be using as we learn about the 3D modeling commands here in AutoCAD.